How to link Candy Crush Saga to Facebook. Open Candy Crush Saga, tap the delicious little icon and jump into the Candy Kingdom. Tap the gear icon at the top right corner. Tap Account and Help. You will see blue button My Account. Tap that. And here you will see two options: sign up with email, continue with Facebook. Tap continue with Facebook. A pop-up will appear asking for your Facebook email and password. Enter your detail and tap continue or login, or it will automatically sync with your Facebook. And now you are connected. Your game will reload and your progress is now saved to your Facebook. You can now play on multiple devices, compete with friends, never lose your level again. And that's how you link your Candy Crush Saga to Facebook like to level 100% legend. Like the video if this helped and comment below if you have any question, and subscribe for more fun game tips and tricks. See you in the next one.